loud noise.
Death?
Yeah, death, loud noise, wild animal or something.
From where?
The Nana tree area,
Uh-huh.
when it's making that really loud noises.
Makes a death call?
Yeah, I think that's what she said. Death something.
Like something dead?
Mm-mm.
No?
I think it's called like when the animal making that weird noise called.
Like,
When they're making a voice called.
like they call each other on the phone?
Something different than that.
What are they doing?
They're making a sound.
Like a June bug?
No, I don't know what it's called. I forgot remember what Nana told me that this morning.
Like the hummingbird one?
It's a real hummingbird sound. It's really loud. Like real loud big noise. And I don't know what kind of animal it is yet.
And they live in a tree?
Yeah, like real loud croak sound. It's not a frog or some animal. Probably a cricket or something, I don't know.
Cricket, it makes a crunk sound?
Yeah.
And like a humming sound?
I think that's what it do. I don't know.
Does she like that animal?
I don't like that loud noise over there.
Does Nana like it?
Kind of she does, I don't know.
Well,
It's a good thing or bad thing?
a death?
Yeah.
Like dead?
Yeah, it's a good word or bad word?
It's not a bad word.
Oh.
But it's not a fun word or anything either.
It's a good one then?
It's just a word, honey.
Yeah. We're not in trouble.
No, we're not in trouble.
I didn't mean to say that to you, though.
Well, I'm not sure what word you're thinking of.
I was trying to think what kind of weird animal makes that sound. Nana?
In a tree.
Yeah.
A bug?
Yeah, kind of like that sound. It's making that cluck, 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 cluck sound. And it makes that tiny bitty voice sound. Like really loud. Probably like a hummingbird almost, but it's not really like that word. Not the sound, I mean.
I wonder what those are.
I don't know. I need to let me see what it makes that really loud noise.
You're looking it up on Google? Are you looking up on your tablet?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go to bed, right?
Yeah.
Okay.